Saga Fett family, peace, love, and enlightenment. Look, I'm gonna get right into this video. No bullshit. This will be a no BS video. And so I feel like there is a lot of fluff on the internet. Obviously this year, it taught people a lot. One thing it taught is that you're disposable if you're working a 9-to-5 or corporate job. Because as long as you're relying on somebody to give you your paycheck, you will never truly have financial freedom and abundance, okay? And so in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make 7 streams of income, literally. And so this is gonna be just straight to it, no fancy edits or nothing like that. If you are somebody that has a short attention span, I'm gonna tell you right now, you're not gonna make it. I'm telling you right now, if you can't even watch a video, you're not gonna make it. You're not gonna be rich. I'm sorry. And so let's get right into it. For those of you that don't know, my name is Dudley, aka Dudley Duds. I run the health and wellness brand Dudley Duds, where I provide services of nutrition planning, fitness coaching, things of that nature. I'm now an official best-selling author after selling hundreds and hundreds of books. So I want to extend my gratitude and say thank you guys for supporting my brand and business. And I also have a subdivision of my brand called Dudley Duds Apparel, where I do sell my own clothing. You feel me? And I am also an instructor. I have a course called Self-Made Online Business Master Course, where we show students how to monetize their knowledge and passion and create a sustainable brand and business on the internet. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, for those of you guys that want to see all of my receipts and you can go check all of my previous business videos where I show you in real time how much I'm making. I've shown you my good months of $15,000 plus, and I've shown you my, like my below average months of, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, whatever. And so I haven't worked a 9-to-5 job in almost 2 years now, and I'm very grateful. And I'm going to share with you guys how you can do it as well. So, peace, love, and the most abundance to you. And so let's get right into it, right? You have, my bad, my voice is cracking a little bit, man. I'm hungry. So you have a 9-to-5 job right now, or a corporate job, right? So that's your one stream of income. The majority of people only have one stream of income. So how do you get your second stream of income? First thing I want to say is the most important investment you'll ever make is in yourself. As cliche as it sounds, it's true. You are the value. You are the commodity. There's nobody else on this planet like you. So realize that. So boom, you have unique experiences and knowledge that you have acquired throughout your life journey, right? And so you have something in your mind that I don't have. I have something in my mind that you don't have. You guys always hear me say that there are people on this planet that need what you have to offer. They need your talents. They need your gifts. So why waste it? Please don't waste it. And so you have your job. That's your one stream of income. So now what you can do is get on YouTube, a free platform that you can exercise your freedom of speech for the most part. They're a little strange now, like with the rules and guidelines. But for this example, I'm gonna use a nail technician, right? Let's say that your specialty is nails or beauty. I'm gonna use this example right now because the beauty community is popping. You feel me? So let's say that your specialty is nails. You have an expertise, a knowledge in nails. So boom, you get on YouTube and you start uploading content on nails. And so the first way that you can monetize your channel, your platform, is by affiliate marketing. I talk about this in my Self-Made Online Business Master Course. You can sign up for Amazon Associates, which is what I got started with. I've made thousands of dollars from them alone. And so that's your first additional stream of income, is affiliate marketing. There are many free programs out there that you can apply for and get approved. Though I do recommend that you only become an affiliate to companies that you wholeheartedly believe in. Do not scam people out here. Please have integrity. So that's your first additional stream of income, affiliate marketing. For those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'm just going to give you a brief. It's when you become an ambassador for a product or company and you earn a commission. Some companies pay 10%, 15%. For example, on my Self-Made Online Business course, I pay up to 40%. So I pay my students very handsomely that can recruit other students. So that's what affiliate marketing is. Boom, second stream of income. Now, On average, my students become monetized on YouTube maybe within 6 months to a year. YouTube is not how it once was when I got on it in 2017. When I got on YouTube back in 2017, you could just hop on and immediately monetize your channel. The tables have turned. Everybody and their mom wants to be on there now. So with YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. That won't be an issue when your content is good, right? And so, as I said, my students get monetized within 6 months. Some have gotten monetized in 3 months. And so once you get monetized, that is now your third stream of income, right? So I've just now showed you 2 additional streams of income that I'm sure a lot of people know. So boom, once you get that, right, now, and every YouTuber knows that what I'm about to say is true, as you get monetized and your channel starts to gain a little bit of buzz, what's going to happen is you're going to have companies and brands start to reach out to you, right, and offer you things. Now, in the beginning, they're going to try to lowball you and give you free products for video. I don't do that. My time is very valuable. I've done a couple of those in the past, like maybe 2 or 3, but then once I seen how much money I was making them, I requested to be paid because I'm adding value. As long as you're adding value, God is going to bestow upon you many gifts. You know what I'm saying? The universe always reciprocates the type of energy that you're giving back out. So if you're providing value, you deserve value added back to you. So branded deals and sponsored content will now become your 4th stream of income. You have your job, you have affiliate marketing, you have Google AdSense, and you have brand deals. Now, I've personally shown you guys my great months with branded content. I've made thousands of dollars. I recently just got back from a dope experience in San Diego. It was a branded trip. They flew me out. They put me in a beautiful luxury condo with a skyline view. You feel me? Like I was in a drop top. All the little worldly things that are cool. You feel me? But they paid for that whole trip, and they paid me thousands of dollars. You feel me? And so that is another source of income. Now, once you have those sources of income, this is what you do. You take the money and you reinvest it into your brand, and you get your brand legitimized, right? You get it legit. So you create an LLC. Once you create the LLC, you create a digital, non-tangible product first. Here's why. When you create a digital product and you monetize the knowledge that you already have, you don't have to pay sales tax on that. So, for example, the example I'm using is a nail technician. You could create an ebook on how to do nails and sell it for like $14.99 or something. And that is not passive income. That's a reoccurring income, right? That you don't have to manually fulfill. Okay, I like my freedom. I like to travel, as you guys have seen. I've had amazing experiences in 2020, despite all of the stuff that's happened. I'll show you guys where I was fortunate enough to have many vacations. I was in a multi-million-dollar mansion. I was in a luxury condo. And these things are nice, right? Because we all deserve these things, especially when we're adding value. So just to reiterate, you have your job. You have your affiliate marketing. You have YouTube AdSense. You have brand deals and sponsored content. You have now created your LLC, and where you've monetized your knowledge and experiences and put it into a e-product, so where you're selling that. Now, you can have a subdivision. Like, for example, I have a subdivision of Dudley Does Apparel. Now, you can sell physical, tangible products. I recommend, and this is just my thing. It may not work for you. I'm just giving you how I did it. I recommend drop shipping. And so find a vendor that can produce what you want, your designs and everything, quality control. For the example of the nail tech, maybe you start selling press-on nails, right? You put your packaging, your branding on it, make sure that it's quality, and now you have a fulfillment center that's fulfilling that. That's now your 6th stream of income. 6th stream of income right there, where you're now providing services to people across the world, right? So what I personally do, another source of income that I have is crowdfunding. YouTube is kind of strict now with its rules and guidelines. So I provide premium content on my Patreon. It's not OnlyFans, calm down now. I provide premium content. So you can crowdfund by adding more value to people, and providing different types of content. And so I personally make, hundreds of dollars a month off of my Patreon, but I don't touch that money. I reinvest that money back into my business, into my knowledge. I have spent thousands of dollars on courses and books alone just to get myself up on knowledge so I can add value to people, because I can't help people. I can't fulfill my purpose as a man if I'm not fulfilled. And so you guys have to realize that the only way that you're gonna diversify your income and add 7+ streams of income is if you first add value to yourself. Okay? You are the value, and you must serve people. Stop being selfish. I know you want to take the little Instagram photos and flex. Stop. You know what I'm saying? All that stuff is coming. You're gonna get that stuff, but you must work on yourself first. And so I've shown you guys 7 ways to make money, or 6 rather, besides your job. Damn, I guess I just clickbaited y'all, man. All right, screw it. So an additional stream of income. Once you have your channel, you have a little buzz, you have branded content. So now, brands are getting more familiar with you. People are getting more familiar with you. You're going to have people come on your channel that's going to admire you, your own special community. And what you can do from there is you can provide consultations or services. I provide consultations, right? And so you can make money by helping people through Skype calls, right? So that's an additional stream of income right there. So you now have 8 streams of income. I know I said 7, but because I felt like I was kind of capping, you now have 8 streams of income, right? And so before I let you guys go, out of respect for your time, I just want to say this. I once heard somebody say that how you do anything is how you do everything. That's bullshit. I'll give you an example. I haven't worked a 9-to-5 job since 2018, right? And so in that year, I had 3 jobs. I had 1 job at Target, which you guys seen the video when I quit. I had another job at a seafood restaurant called Flounders, and I had another job at H&M. Now, I didn't give my all at those jobs. I lollygagged and I half-assed because I hated it there. I wasn't happy, but I go hard for my business. I put in 100+ hours every week for my business because that's my baby. I love it, and I'm happy. I'm fulfilled because I'm helping people every single day. And so I would rather train clients and help them and be happy than be stuck at a job that I hate. And so that's why I say that that's bullshit. How you do anything is not how you do everything. So stop letting these quotes make you feel like, oh, nah. But what I did do while I was at those jobs is I capitalized on every moment to learn. I'll give you an example. At Target, I was always at the cash register. I was in the back, and so I would also have to handle phone calls. I would have to speak on the loud intercom. And so what I did gain from that job was working on my communication skills. I told you guys before that I speak multiple languages. I'm Haitian. And so growing up, I had a bad speech impediment. I struggled to speak English. And so what I gained from that job was how to communicate, my interpersonal communication skills. Alongside the books and courses that I purchased to help me with that, that job helped me apply my skills practically. My other job at Flounders, a seafood spot, man, the most stressful job of my life. I used to have to work 12, 13 hours with no break, carrying hot trays of food from the kitchen to the beach to the cabana upstairs, everything, burnt hand, everything. I oftentimes find myself in the kitchen as the chaos of different waiters and busboys and people are running in and out that flappy door, just standing like, damn, all these people out here running in and out represent different gears and belts and ligaments of this business. Everybody's going in and out, in and out. And that's when I realized this is a well-oiled business. Everybody has a purpose. And so that's what I took from that job, was how to run a well-oiled business. And so think of your business and brand like this. You know how when you're starting up a chainsaw, you got to ring it and then it finally turns on. That's how your business is. You got to constantly give effort. And then once it gets going, eventually, if it runs out of gas, it's gonna stop. Think of the gas in the chainsaw that's keeping it spinning as the value that you're providing in your business. If you continue to provide value, your chainsaw will never stop. Once the value runs dry, it's gonna stop. And so understand that to add different streams of income, you must become value. You are your biggest asset, okay? And so as I end the video, out of respect for you guys' time, if you enjoyed the content, make sure to hit a like, share this with a friend or family or somebody that wants to do more with their life, that deserves to do more. Before I let you guys go, I want to say this: you deserve opulence. You deserve abundance. So stop feeling bad for wanting the finer things in life. You deserve the finer things in life. God is an abundant God. I don't care what God you serve. The universe is abundance. And so you, by your very nature, deserve abundance. And so I send you guys much love, prosperity, much peace from the bottom of my heart chakra to you. I love you guys sincerely. And I pray that this video finds you in divine timing, depending on whenever you see this, and that it helps you and it motivates you, okay? And for those of you that are interested in learning how to create your own business in real time, you can click the link in my description box for my Self-Made Online Business Master Course, where I'm showing my community of students how to create a sustainable online business and brand, and how to diversify your income from home or anywhere in the world. And I'm showing you guys in real time, no cap. All right, so I love you. Okay, na pale pita, and peace.